Welcome to Trade Finance Company, a global holding company with an extensive international presence. We operate in the USA, UK, Malaysia, Philippines, Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand, China, and the UAE. Soon we will expand into Indonesia, Vietnam, and Cambodia. Additionally, we are establishing offices in most African countries as well as in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Our team has successfully executed over 40,000 international trade and financial transactions across more than 100 countries. At Trade Finance Company, we are direct issuers of financial instruments and not brokers. Our instruments are widely accepted by leading banks such as HSBC, Standard Chartered Bank, Bank of China, Commerce Bank of Germany, and many others. We specialize in issuing bank instruments like letters of credit, bank guarantees, and standby letters of credit to support the importation of goods and capital raising efforts. We have credit lines available with top banks including Standard Chartered Bank and Development Bank of Singapore as well as with smaller banks globally. Our company provides unsecured financial instruments via the open market and banks to businesses for importing goods and raising credit lines. We trade with our own accounts principals and charge a fee for providing the instruments to our clients. This positions us as account holders and not brokers. Importantly, we do not engage in financial instrument monetization or the issuance of financial instruments for clients to trade on forex or stock markets. We do not issue standby letters of credit or bank guarantees for anyone to monetize in London, Dubai, Hong Kong, Singapore, or in any other market. Furthermore, we do not participate in buying and selling financial instruments, and we accept all types of commodities, both perishable and non perishable, except Russian and Nigerian oil. We do not deal with UN sanctioned countries but accept commodities like coal, timber, palm oil, and tobacco. Our minimum transaction is 250,000 US dollars for letters of credit and 500,000 US dollars for standby letters of credit and bank guarantees. There is no maximum transaction value. It depends on the client's experience in the same type of business. Our issuing fees range from 1% to 7%, 1% for large instrument sizes, and 7% for smaller ones. We offer the most competitive rates in the market and the most flexible fee payment options. In essence, we provide financial instruments to banks' clients who may not have collateral security to secure their banking facilities. Our unsecured financial products support quality banking transactions that might otherwise not be completed due to collateral security issues. Most of our transactions are referred to us by local banks, microfinance companies, leasing companies, importers and exporters of commodities, and general merchandise. We are not a bank. We finance trade and issue instruments using our own credit lines, placing our funds in various banks to support the importation of commodities and general merchandise. To proceed with the transaction, we require the following: completed application and CIS forms, certificate of incorporation and KYC, either copy of passport or driving license, verbiage of the instrument if available, proforma invoice stating the payment terms for general merchandise, letter of intent, loan contract or credit offer from the lender or supplier for credit facility, copy of sales or purchase contract for commodity transactions. Upon receiving these documents, we will forward them to our underwriting team for assessment. Once approved, we will issue an offer letter or a term sheet for the client to review. Upon acceptance of the offer, we will adhere to the term sheet until the transaction is completed. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask now. If there are no questions, we can proceed with your transaction.